Right, so it's down at Efixx now then. So this is the little studio they got. Got a nice little setup. Say hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, I'm kicking his tripod. Right then, so we've got this little, what is it, a wall challenge?
The Electrician's challenge wall it is.
There we go. So let's see how we do then. So here's your little setup then. A little fuse bar then. So I think what we're going to do, plan of action. We'll grab those, bend it over, straight up the tube, round, through into your board, and obviously line neutral earth. Line neutral earth for your socket and a little fly lead. So let's see how we do. Go on, let's have a look then. We've got a bit of competition.
Yorkshire out there, Ross Sands, North Yorkshire.
There we go, Ross Sands, North Yorkshire. So
Ryan Davis there, number 3.
253, so that's what you're going to try and beat, is it? Who I want to try and beat is Wayne. So we had a little, we did a few podcasts with him. He got too busy, bless him, but I'd love to beat him. So there we go. So if we beat 322,
He's given up.
that's what we're after. Has he? He just eats food now, yeah?
I think he's eating food and playing games.
I know. He's become a YouTuber.
He's my idol.
Yeah, he's a good lad. Right then, let's see how we do then. There we go, attempt 1 then. Let's see, was it 3 attempts, lads?
3 attempts, yeah.
Right, so I think that's in view. Right then, let's
When you're ready, 3 in your head, green button, and away you go.
right. See if we can do this there. Is it going? Here we go, so I forgot we were filming as well. Look at this, bleeding, shaking like a leaf, but we'll get there. Yeah.
Right, good to go when you are.
Tape at the ready. Driver's not buried in my pocket like before. Should have brought my work trousers, shouldn't I? Yeah then.
Pressure's on now.
Cool then. Hello, pressure's on. Is there any time then, yeah? We good?
Yeah,
We good on mine? Yeah. Slip in. So, alright. Did I drop the body? There's a line. Alright, that's the other driver and these snips. Alright, chop them. Strip them as well. Fly lead, and then strip it first. This is a massive fly lead. No way to know with this one. Go on, get in there. Go home. It's like, what is it? Adam Sandler. Go in. Line. Oh, neutral. Go CPC. There we go. Neutral. Last one, little fly lead. Let's fly him home. Right, let's get him back. Said that for long, didn't I? That little fly lead. That's all the way this time, Rick.
Yeah, let's have time up properly, I'm not cheating.
I know, I thought I sent him fully home. Home for Christmas. No! No, pressure on button.
Ready?
Here we go, third and final attempt. Let's see if we can place on the board. We've got the 10 minutes. Yeah,
Let's rock and roll.
This could be a big cock up. Oh, come on, Brown. Nah.
346 minutes later.
This is what I dreaded. Oh, what a fail. I'm definitely a slow one, Rick, you know.
No comment.
We wanted a bit of speedy screwing. Did not happen last time, did it? Yeah.
I'm done.
Right, not a clue how that went then, crikey. Fumbling up the tube, you know what I mean? Not good, but yeah, we'll see tonight how we did.
You're working for weight, but these partners must be etching you out. What are you feeling about tonight's game?
I'm a little bit nervous. I definitely know the actual product names. It's the product numbers that I'm in.
Hey, check out these kicks then. So I've got something for stuff here.
This is so good.
Right then, so we're off for a curry now then. So we've had a little briefing of what the tonight show's going to be. So I think it's 8 PM. But obviously you won't see this for quite a few months then. But yeah, so we're just going to bob down now in Gordon's fancy car. Look at that little Porsche.
Babby
How you getting in, lad? Look at this, full sunroof.
Those cameras are sick.
Brilliant. This is the life of a popular YouTuber. Love it. Well, hey, so we're about to go live. This is a little studio set up behind the scenes. Look at this. This is a proper show. Rather than me and Wayne on Zoom.
But have we got a show for you today? We've got loads of special guests in, loads of familiar faces, and something big on the challenge walls. So we've got some guests. Let's have a look at our guests in the green room, waiting for us there. So there we go. Look at that, James loitering in the background, seeing what he's got on there. Carl, you're there. Yep. Yes, James there. Eddie, you've got the hot seat. Oh. Let's roll with it. Let's see how he got on. We haven't seen this. I saw a few of them. I was out the room when this was going on.
Is it going?
Right, straight. Oh, right, now, this could be, it's quite interesting. So we didn't know this before. So we're, James, you did this in, actually, you're not in the 4-minute region.
Oh, good, good.
You're not in the 3-minute region, so Eddie can relax now. So you did this in 2 minutes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And 44 seconds.
Right, come on, get in.
So unfortunately, after months, years, we're
Wow.
now moving Ross Sands down, and James Finney literally is, for a while, the top electrician.
There we go. That smell.
Outside, I'm trying to look cool. Inside, I'm going, hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on!
What, you want a video of us?
Hey, that's a wrap then down at Efixx then. So how have you found it then?
Yeah, it was alright, yeah. Nice evening. So,
Oh, good.
guessing about all sorts of bits and pieces. So, yeah, meeting new people.
Yeah, it's good
like
stuff.
yourself.
It's good
So,
stuff, yeah.
enjoyed it.
And we got #1 spot. Come on, get in.
Yeah,
That's
hey,
awesome.
congratulations.
No,
Well
that's
done.
brilliant. That's brilliant. So yeah. So hopefully you enjoy this little insight into how Efixx do things. So yeah, that's all we've got time for today then. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notifications to know when next upload. As always, have a good one from me, and I'll see you on the next one.